Many of us have these old magnetic albums at home where we've kept our family photos. And the issue with these is the adhesive and plastic used to make magnetic albums can cause your photos to stain or become brittle over time. However, removing them can be a little tricky as well. So before removing photos, you might want to scan or take digital photographs of the pages if you want to preserve the order or any type of information that's recorded on your pages. A simple technique you can use to remove your photographs is by using dental floss. You want to choose an unwaxed, unflavored floss that preferably won't shred. I suggest you also wear gloves like the ones I'm wearing, or you can also use cotton gloves so that you don't get any oils from your hands on the photographs. You then want to find a corner that's already slightly lifted and get the floss under the photo and gently pull side to side as if you were actually flossing. You never want to pull up or briskly pull downwards, since that could actually tear the photograph.